I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have our student intern with us.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
So what are we making today?
Today we are making Sunbursts, and it's a really unique way that we're going to be doing it.
Pretty.
Yeah.
But before we get started, we're going to be doing a breathing exercise. So we're going to have our hands out like this, and then as we breathe in, we're going to be raising our hands like the sun is rising. And then as we breathe out, we're going to have our hands down as the sun is setting.
Okay.
And we'll do that 2 times together.
Great.
So breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Sun is rising. Breathe out. Sun is setting.
Nice.
Nice. I like that.
Hopefully that will bring the sun out right now. Peggy, what supplies do we need?
A paper plate, red and yellow paint, paintbrush, scissors, plastic wrap, glue or tape, and construction paper.
Okay. So Carlina, what's the first step?
So you're going to take your paper plate and you're going to cut out the middle.
Okay.
Okay,
We've all done that.
have ours cut out.
Okay.
Okay, and then the next step is you're going to take your paint. So I'm using red, yellow, and orange, and you're going to just put it on your sun shape however you want. So like I'm just kind of squiggling it around.
Okay. I'm using yellow and red, and that combined will make orange, I hope.
Yes.
And I'm also going to use red, yellow, and orange.
Okay. So it'll look like this, right?
Right. I'm just going to add a little more yellow to mine. All right. And here's mine.
Okay.
All right. And then the next step is to cover it with plastic wrap.
Okay.
So you're going to tear a piece of plastic wrap. And what I did is, so our sun shapes are on top of a piece of construction paper. Doesn't matter what color. And then you're going to put the plastic wrap on top.
Okay.
So just like this.
Mhm.
And then the fun part is you're going to use your fingers and your palms and just squish it around.
Ah,
And this is kind of fun just to see how it all blends together.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
feels really good.
I know, I like this. And what I like about this too, you could do this with anything, like you could do it with a flower shape,
Yeah,
butterfly.
really any shape.
It's kind of neat.
I
So
know.
here's mine right now.
Okay, and here's mine. And so then what you're going to do for the next step is, and you know, your hands are going to get paint on them, then you'll wash them later. So the next step is we're going to take the plastic wrap off. And you'll have a really cool looking
I know, I love these.
middle of the sun.
Mhm.
And then what do we do next, Carlina?
We're going to take our construction paper that you want as a background, black or blue or what other color. I put blue on mine already.
Okay.
Or you could put tape,
Right.
and then you just lay it on there.
Okay. And to push it down, I am going to take my plastic wrap and do it a little bit.
That's
Yeah.
a good idea.
Yeah.
Glad I have some
Down there.
paper towels here because I'm using my fingers.
And then the last step is you want to make the sun rays. And so the paint is still wet and you're just going to flick it down from your sun like that. And while we're doing this step, I'm going to tell you a joke.
All right. I bet it's about a sun, the sun.
Hey, you're right. What is the best day of the week to go to the beach?
Oh, I'm not gonna say, but I think I have an idea.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
Sunday.
I thought so.
And so this, look how nice these come out.
I know.
These
I
are
like
great. How's yours coming, Carlina?
Good, I'm just finishing up the raise. Yep. Here you go.
Beautiful. So here they are. I love
I do too.
They
Thanks.
look great.
Yep, here comes the sun.
them. Hey, thanks for joining us. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye.
Bye.